Good morning, viewers. A couple of viewers have requested me to talk about a couple of things. One is the cushioning effect on the backhoe cylinders. Another viewer was asking about the independent hydraulic lift system. So I thought I'd talk about that. Sorry if it's kind of noisy out here. The robins are migrating through or something, and there's quite a flock of them squawking everywhere, pooping everywhere, and generally being a nuisance. So anyways, I thought I'd start out with the 260B Backhoe cylinders. One of the new features on the B model are the cushioning effect that they say has been incorporated, so when they hit the end of travel, then it doesn't come to such an abrupt stop. I thought I'd try to demonstrate it. I don't know if you can really tell any difference without seeing the two models side by side working together, but I'll show what I can anyways. I'm going to operate the boom here. I'll put it as full as fast as it'll go, see if it see any difference. Alright, now I'll do the other one. See, it kind of slows down right at the end there. See, right there, it kind of slowed up a little bit. So basically, that's really all I can show you. How that exactly compares with the older model, I don't know. It might be kind of hard to tell without them sitting side by side. Alright, the other feature is the independent hydraulic lift. That's operated with this switch, rocker switch right here. When you push it, it goes all the way to the top. When you let go, it just releases. And it's going to go down to wherever you've got the knob here set. It's kind of hard to do this while I'm holding the camera, because it takes one hand on the knob and one on the switch. I'll see if I can set the camera up. So basically how that works, this is your deck height adjustment, and this part here is going to work identical no matter what lift system you've got. The difference being in what lifts the deck. The standard system is called the mechanical system, even though it's still operated by your 3-point hitch hydraulics, but I guess there's a mechanical linkage between the rock shaft mechanism and then the mower deck. So even though you're using hydraulics to lift it, I guess there's a mechanical connection between the two. So if the 3-point goes up, then the deck goes up, and vice versa. You drop the 3-point, then you're going to drop the deck. With this system, it's independent of the 3-point, and the way they do that, there's a kit that has to be installed that reroutes the hydraulics in such a way that it's no longer directly linked to the 3-point. I don't know exactly how they do it. There's a couple of kits involved. I think this hose here may be part of it, but I can't swear to it because I don't know what the standard looks like. So anyways, what this does, when you hit this rocker switch, it's going to raise the deck all the way as far as it can go up. And while that's up, then you adjust your dial to where you want it. And that dial is connected to a stepped cam. I don't know if you can see it, but there's my finger pointing to it. And that's a cam, spiral shaped cam that's got steps on it, and you lift the deck so takes the tension off the cam, and then you can set your knob to where you want it, and then you release that and it just drops it down to wherever your cam is set. 4, of course, would be the highest setting on the cam, and then the lowest is the install position. It used to actually say install, now it's got a graphic of a tractor rolling over the deck. And what that does, it lets it all the way down to the ground. Of course, you lift your wheels so your wheels aren't hooked to the ground, and then you're able to back over your deck. So basically that's all it does. It's just it's either on or off. You hit the switch, raises as far as it will go, you turn the dial to the setting you want, you release it, and then it goes down and rests on whatever setting that you've got the cam set at. There's one other option called just the hydraulic lift, and what that is, it uses the same, it's also independent of the 3-point, but it uses a hose that's going to use one of your loader valves or connections. I don't know which one it is, but so basically you hook into one of these connections. You got to take off a connection, so that means you lose one of your loader functions when you want to use your joystick here to raise and lower your deck. And then when you want to, you're mowing grass or whatever, you may not have your loader connected, so it may not make any difference. But when you're done, you'd have to physically reconnect your loader connections up, which I didn't want that option. So basically that's what I had to talk about today. Hope you're not tired of seeing tractor videos. I don't have a whole lot of content I can put up. I don't run a farm or a business, so it's just, you're just seeing whatever my hobbies are. So have a nice day, and thanks for watching.